AI is everywhere, from your phone's camera suggestions to smart replies in emails. Yet, when someone says, "I'm learning AI," they often skip the real basics and jump straight to tools. That's why most beginners get stuck. This video is for you, the curious learner, who doesn't want to stay confused anymore. Let's break down AI from the roots, in plain language. Because the truth is, 99% of beginners don't understand these AI basics, and that's why they quit. Get real-world analogies, visuals, and examples that will finally make AI click in your brain. 1. AI is not a robot, it's a brain. When people think of AI, they picture robots taking over the world. That's science fiction. The truth is AI is just a system that mimics human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, and pattern recognition. Think of it like a brain without a body. It can power chatbots, suggest Netflix shows, or diagnose diseases. But it doesn't do anything physically unless connected to a machine. Beginner tip. Every AI system is trained using data. No data equals no learning. 2. Machine learning is a subset of AI, not the same thing. Here's where most people get confused. Artificial intelligence is the broader field. Machine learning, ML, is a part of it, focused on letting machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, DL, is a sub-part of ML, where neural networks simulate how the human brain works. Imagine AI as a tree. Trunk equals AI. Branch equals machine learning. Twig equals deep learning. Beginner tip. Don't say, "I'm learning AI," if you're just learning ML or Python. Be specific. 3. Neural networks are not brains, but they act like one. Neural networks are inspired by how our brain works, neurons firing based on input. But in AI, each neuron is a simple equation. Layers of these neurons work together to process data, find patterns, and make predictions. For example, upload a photo of a cat, right-pointing arrow, AI compares features, ears, eyes, shape. Right-pointing arrow matches it with millions of images. Right-pointing arrow concludes, this is 95% likely a cat. Beginner tip. Most image, voice, and text AI tools use deep neural networks. 4. Training versus inference, two sides of AI. Beginners often don't know this, but AI has two key phases. Training. Feeding the model with tons of data to teach it patterns, takes time, power, money. Inference. Using the trained model to predict something new, like ChatGPT answering your question. You use AI tools during inference, but companies like OpenAI do the training behind the scenes. Beginner tip. You can use AI without training anything, just by leveraging already trained models. 5. AI tools does not equal AI understanding. Just because someone uses ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DALL-E doesn't mean they understand AI. That's like using a calculator and claiming you understand algebra. To truly learn AI, understand logic behind how tools work. Know the difference between models, datasets, and prompts. Think in systems. Input, right-pointing arrow processing, right-pointing arrow output. Beginner tip. Focus on concepts first, tools later. 6. AI needs ethics, just like humans. Many forget this. AI is trained by humans, with human bias. That means, AI can be unfair. It can reflect racism, sexism, or flawed logic if not trained carefully. Every beginner should know that AI must be audited, monitored, and improved constantly. Without ethics, AI becomes dangerous, not to us, but because of us. Beginner tip. Read about bias in AI. Knowing this makes you a smarter user. 7. Prompt engineering is a skill, not a trick. ChatGPT or Bard don't read your mind. They follow your input prompt. Write a story equals generic. Write a 3-paragraph love story in 1800s Japan with a twist ending equals gold. Prompt engineering is the art of asking better questions to get smarter answers. Beginner tip. Practice giving clear, specific, structured prompts. It's the foundation of working with AI tools. Knowing the basics makes you a leader. AI isn't magic. It's a tool built by humans to amplify human potential. The only difference between someone who uses AI and someone who masters it is understanding the why behind it. By learning these basics, you build a rock-solid foundation. Avoid hype and confusion. Speak the language of future tech leaders. Re-simplify AI with animations, examples, and humor, because learning should feel like magic, not math class.